Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the tricky Y. Letter Y is a very playful letter. It changes its sound in different ways. In phonics, it is usually pronounced as y, as in yam. But when it becomes playful and tricky, it will change its sound to long I, as in sky, or it will even change its sound to E, as in happy. Let's read the Y words with the long I sound now. S, k, I, sky. F, l, I, fly. F, r, I, fry. K, r, I, cry. S, p, I, spy. M, I, my. Now, let's try reading Y words with a long E sound in them. H, A, P, E. Happy. P, A, P, E. Puppy. S, A, N, E. Sunny. R, A, N, E. Rainy. W, E, N, D, E. Windy. If you notice closely, in all the small words, like the single syllable words, letter Y says I, and in the bigger words, the letter Y says E. Y says I in words like sky, fly, dry, and cry, and Y says E in words like happy, funny, lucky, and rainy. Thank you for reading with me today. I hope this video was useful to you.